This is how you do the rocking stitch. The needle is placed just ahead of the last stitch you did in the fabric vertically. The thumb goes ahead like this, and the end of the needle is controlled with the thimble. This means that I can tip the needle underneath and have a finger from my other hand which is pushing up here just underneath the tip of the needle. I feel that tip as it goes in, and then I push backwards with the thimble so that I'm now making it down here, and up in the middle. That means that when I push the end of the needle with the thimble, the needle tip comes out the top of the fabric again. Then I release the bottom finger, tip the needle vertically again, and keep repeating this process so that the needle goes in and out the fabric. Take a few stitches, pull it through. The tip of the needle goes in to make the first stitch, and then I rock the needle to make several more. The key to making the small even stitches is to control how far the needle travels when you push it before it goes in or out the fabric. If I make the needle come up here, but I push too far, then the next stitch, of course, is going to be a really big one. I don't want that. What I need to be able to do is to push the needle just a tiny amount so that only the tiniest bit of the needle comes out before I then rock it down again. I'm feeling underneath with my finger to make sure I don't push it too hard here because I don't want a big stitch underneath. This control of the needle with the thimble finger is the most difficult thing to achieve, and it takes practice. In just ahead, thumb ahead, underneath finger to get the needle tip, rock back, push through, tip vertically, push down, tip back, push forward, tip vertically, down, push,